YAFE's advanced MES software helps to transform assembly line. Let's go ahead and see a glimpse of the working of our software. A typical day starts with users entering their production plan in our server. RFID scanners provides access interlocks. QR code is printed according to the production plan. Scanners help to track material movement. Step-by-step operator guidance help operators work seamless and provides a paperless environment. Electric tools are integrated with our software to track the torque value and process interlocks. Advanced process control logics ensures all operations are completed as per SOP. Handshake with PLC in our software makes your options limitless. End-of-line testing data is communicated to our software for the ease of working. Stored reports help you go and clarify past data. The solution helps all the various departments to simplify their jobs. In short, the YAFE's advanced MES solution can digitize your assembly line, help you streamline your production needs, better process control, and help your continuous development journey.